Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use magic function to create a matrix in MATLAB. Magic functions creates a square matrix of any size in MATLAB. Suppose I want to create any X matrix, we can use magic function of dimension 3. This 3 means it has 3 rows and 3 columns. Save it and then run. So here we can see magic function create a matrix of dimension 3 by 3. Now suppose if I want to create any other matrix of different dimension. So this magic function create a matrix of dimension 4 by 4. So it has 4 rows and 4 columns. Now if we want to swap the middle columns, then we can type here colon, comma, 1, 3, 2, 4 bracket closed. So what I am doing here, I want to swap second column and third columns. So we can run it here. Here we can easily see that second and third column both are interchanged now.